a place to worship their gods and ancestors, eat, pray, and come together with their friends and family. Able to hold 3,500 people, the Kowloon Musjid and Islamic Center hold religious classes for the young and the old. Established in 1896, this mosque has been in Hong Kong for over 100 years.
At the time it had been built, Hong Kong was under British rule, adapting to a new culture. Muslims popularizing all around Hong Kong. The original center was built to serve as a station for the Indian Muslim troops, but then soon changed to being a mosque and Islamic center.
The mosque usually carries out our prayers, religious classes, and the mosque is also a place to meet with friends and relatives. In the month of the Ramadan, the most important month of a Muslim, they are seen to perform prayers collectively, and the mosque will always be full of people, and there are a lot of charity money distributed. Can you tell us a little bit about the history of the mosque?
This mosque has a long history. We have different functions in our mosque. The first and most important, gathering 5 times for prayers. We have a learning of the Quran center. We have a place for having courses for Muslims and non-Muslims. We have different courses: introductory course, Islamic introductory course. We have Arabic learning course. We have the learning of the religion of Islam course, and we have different students who are learning the Holy Book Quran. About 400 students coming every day for learning of the Quran.
The Kowloon Musjid and Islamic Center represents Hong Kong as a more diverse society and is tolerant of other races. It also helps visitors that come to Hong Kong. It is a heritage building because it is like an old a precious monument that has many fascinating design and some stories with morals that not only Muslims can learn from.
How do you think the mosque has influenced or affected Hong Kong's culture and population?
Hong Kong is a multi-racial, multicultural place, and the Hong Kong's beauty is having different faith, different culture, different people from different background. So we get the benefit of the diversity of Hong Kong, and Hong Kong became beautiful due to this diversity.